Ready to ditch that clunky old command prompt and level up your Windows command line game? Let's dive right into setting up Microsoft Terminal, the sleek, powerful, and customizable terminal application that will transform your developer experience. And the best part, it's free. First, head over to the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Terminal, and click Install. Alternatively, you can install it from the command line with wget install Microsoft Terminal. Once the installation is complete, launch Microsoft Terminal. You can do this by searching for it in the Start menu or directly from the Microsoft Store. Upon launching, you'll be greeted with the default profile, most likely, it's PowerShell. But the real magic lies in customization. Click the down arrow in the title bar and select Settings, or just use Turo. The settings are stored in a JSON file. Don't be intimidated. This is where you can tweak everything from default profiles and color schemes to key bindings. The Profiles section lets you configure shells like Command Prompt, PowerShell, WSL, or even SSH connections. Within each profile, you can customize the name, command line arguments, starting directory, background image, and more. Play around with the color schemes to find one that suits your eye or create a completely unique scheme from scratch. Don't forget about key bindings. Map custom actions to keyboard shortcuts to streamline your workflow. Once you're done customizing, save the settings in file, and your changes will instantly take effect in Microsoft Terminal. And that's it. You've now successfully set up and customized Microsoft Terminal. Experiment with different settings, discover your favorite combinations, and enjoy a more productive and personalized command line experience. Happy coding!